Why don't Audi A3 and Mercedes A-Class play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're always trying to outclass each other. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Audi A3 versus Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Difference 1. From the exterior perspective, the Audi A3 maintains a more sporty and compact look as compared to Mercedes-Benz A-Class, which holds a more sleek and elegant design. The A-Class has more smooth lines and graceful curves. Difference 2. The A3 offers some engine options which are not available in Mercedes-Benz A-Class. The Audi A3 offers a choice between a 1.5-litre petrol engine and a 2.0-litre diesel engine, while the A-Class offers only a 1.3-litre petrol engine and a 2.0-litre diesel engine. Difference 3. As to the performance and handling, the Audi A3 tends to be quicker in acceleration and offers better handling and cornering due to its traditional quattro all-wheel drive system. On the other hand, the A-Class is more about comfort and luxury. Difference 4. In terms of interior design and materials, the Mercedes A-Class has a more high-end and luxurious feel, with premium materials and high-tech options, where the Audi A3 has straightforward and minimalist interior aesthetics which are rather appealing to some customers. Difference 5. As for the infotainment system, the A-Class has the high-end MBUX Mercedes-Benz user experience system that includes augmented reality navigation, while the Audi A3 uses the Audi MMI system, which is also user-friendly and updated, but lacks some features available in MBUX. Difference 6. Comparing fuel efficiency, the A3 with a diesel engine is more efficient, delivering better mileage compared to the A-Class diesel model. Difference 7. With luggage capacity, the Audi A3 offers slightly more boot space than the A-Class, primarily due to its design. Difference 8. When it comes to safety features, the A-Class has a slight edge over the A3. It comes with some cutting-edge safety technologies like Distronic Plus and Attention Assist, while the A3 matches up mostly with the standard safety features and optional advanced safety tech. Difference 9. In terms of pricing, the Audi A3 tends to be less expensive compared to the Mercedes A-Class for the base models, mainly because the A-Class offers more premium luxury features. Difference 10. Another difference comes in maintenance. On average, the maintenance cost of a Mercedes-Benz A-Class is higher than that of the Audi A3 because of the high cost of parts and service for the Mercedes. Difference 11. Lastly, the resale value of these cars also differs. While both holds good resale value, Audi A3 tends to depreciate at a slower pace compared to the Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This, however, may vary depending on the particular model and mileage.